Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into the ketogenic diet and its potential effects on depression. Let's break down the science in a digestible way. The ketogenic diet is a high-fat, low-carbohydrate diet that shifts your body into a state of ketosis, where it burns fat for fuel instead of carbs. The brain can use ketones for energy, which some studies suggest may improve mood and cognitive function. The diet may influence neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, which are closely linked to mood regulation. Keto also has anti-inflammatory properties that might reduce brain inflammation, a factor implicated in depression. While research is ongoing, some studies have found that the keto diet can lead to improvements in depressive symptoms, possibly due to its effects on the brain's biochemistry. Not everyone will experience the same benefits, and some may find the diet challenging to maintain. It's essential to approach the keto diet under the guidance of healthcare professionals, especially if you're managing depression. The ketogenic diet offers a fascinating glimpse into the relationship between what we eat and how we feel. While it's not a cure-all, it could be a valuable piece in the puzzle of mental health management. Thanks for tuning in, and check our special offer in the description below. If you're considering dietary changes for mental health, remember to consult with a healthcare professional. Like, share, and subscribe for more content on how lifestyle choices impact our well-being. Until next time, stay healthy and informed.